Hey y'all, today we are making a southern gem, baby. Black eyed peas. Ooh, my grandma would be so proud. So delicious, y'all. You gotta definitely check out this recipe. So first you want to start off with a tablespoon of salted butter. You can use unsalted butter, but I like salted. Then you want to add in our chopped veggies. So I have some onions and bell pepper. You can use either red or green. You want to saute this for about 3-4 minutes before adding in your jalapeños. So you want to slice a few jalapeños, give it a quick stir, and then you want to add in our minced garlic. And you want to make sure that you're stirring your garlic in so it doesn't burn. Now we want to add in our turkey necks. You can use turkey wings, turkey necks, whatever your preference is. Just make sure you rinse it off before adding. Then you want to add in about 4 to 5 cups of water. So you just want to add enough to fill it up. Cover the necks, and then you want to add in our seasonings and your bouillon cube. Cover that and allow that to cook for about 40-50 minutes, and then we're going to add in our frozen black eyed peas. So I ain't have time to be throwing out no beans overnight, so I'm using frozen for today. Then I give that a stir, cover that up, and allow that to simmer for an hour. But you want to make sure you're checking on it because the water is going to evaporate, and you want to give it a stir so that your beans doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And after an hour, I gave it a quick stir, and then I added the lid back on, and I only added on halfway for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to get this consistency right here that we like. Do y'all see this though? I wish I could see y'all play through the phone. And the turkey necks, the meat is falling off the bone. So good. Add you some cornbread to it. You can even add some white rice with it. We are going to enjoy this meal on New Year's Day because we want to get all the favor for the new year. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also turn on those notification bells. I got a lot of good stuff coming for y'all.